welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a big thumbs up. So today I'm going to be rating my fidgets. And since I have a lot, I'm not going to be rating all of them, but I'm going to be rating the best ones that I think. First one. I think this is a cool one because it's like cool and it's rainbow and it's almost like it's giant. And it's the best poppet I have, I think. Kind of. And I rate it like 7 out of 10. Next, mine. These are not all poppets. This one I love because it's the poppet game, and yeah, and I have 0 of these and I love them. And the middle feels amazing. And I rate this a 9 out of 10. This one is not a poppet. It is a squishy. I do rate this 10 out of 10 for sure. Because this just feels so good. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, this one is, they say a magic puppet in videos. But it's not really magic. Right here. So, this fidget is actually not rare. Or special, whatever. But it's really good. It has really good pops. For some reason, I have no clue why. It just does. No, but seriously, listen. It sounds so good. Alright. Yeah. And this is what happens when you step on it. And this is what happens when you fold it like a taco. Alright, folding it like a taco, baby. And squishing it. Oh, well. It sounds so good. Alright. I'm rating that like a success. Alright. This one is absolutely the best because it's a purse and carries all your things. And if you listen carefully, listen. That's the bad side. I don't know if you could hear it, but this is the bad side, and it sounds amazing. And now this is the good side. Listen. Alright, so I got my poppet purse, and I rate it a 10 out of 10. Oh, whoa. Got a big one. I love this squishy. This squishy is definitely a 10 out of 10. For sure. And I mean that. Alright. Next fidget is a poppet. with stuff inside. So here's one, and I love it. I love it. This green one feels so good, just like the purple one. So these are definitely a 10 out of 10. Oh boy. I've been wondering where these are. Pop tubes, the blue one. And they're mini, they're so cute. The pink one. Red one. And last but not least, purple one. Comment down below what was your favorite one. Pink, blue, purple, red. And which one was the loudest. Alright. I feel like the purple one was the loudest, and purple's my favorite. And then we've got one little mochi. It's a cute mochi because you can squish it on your pencil and go wiggle, 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 whoop. Wiggle, 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 whoop. It's super cute. Wiggle, 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 woo. And I've actually got more squishies, but this is the Poppet Purse. Another one, actually. So I would have this on, and I'd be carrying this, and I actually have one more. One more. So I would actually be wearing this along with this, carrying this. So I'd carry stuff and this, and I'd have these with stuff full, and I'd go, hey, yeah, oh my gosh. Yep, and this one's also my favorite. I rate this and this a 10 out of 10 for sure. And some of them I'm not going to be rating, but yeah, that's why I didn't rate the pop tubes. Oh yeah, I love this one. It sounds so good, I want to keep it, which it is mine. This one's not really that good. Oh yeah, I have my brother's in here. It's a fidgets. But these. We got stress ball, which I love. Like, seriously. Oh, this is a necklace. It has a part missing. So it's a necklace, and it's actually really cool. Oh, we got my favorite, the Simple Dimple, which is my only regular Simple Dimple. Sad. because I love these. And this is my unicorn simple. Sorry if you can barely see it. And my last simple dimple is this Santa's one. It's so cool. If you can zoom in, that would be kind of great right here. So these are my most faves. This one, the Santa dimple, the unicorn dimple, the stress ball, the simple dimple, this simple dimple, and this awesome squishy. And that is all for today, guys. But anyway,